Hey guys, Mayday to you. Hey, enjoy the video that I did today. It was windy out there. It was crazy. But the reason I'm breaking in here and starting this video out the way it is because I got to thank you all. 305 subscribers. Never thought I'd get past 10, did you? Well, I'll tell you what. It's awesome. Awesome right now that got 305. Let's see if we can get another 305 by... who knows? Next week. 2 months from now. I don't care. Share it with your friends. It's because of you guys that I've got these subscribers. And I love doing these videos for you guys. And just wanted to tell you, thanks a lot. We're on our way. Us. Yes. Mayday. Enjoy the video. Mayday to you guys out there. Atwood Lake. Boy, is it nice and cool out here today. Got a lot of cloud cover, but no rain predicted. So I'm excited. Let's get out there and get some fish. Tuesday, I think it's June, 16th, 2021. And it's time to get out there, do a little double fluking. I'm going to do some deep diving. I'm going to put on something with, I don't know, not a tailspin, but an underspin on it. And put a Kitech on it and go a little deeper. And if I see any schools of bass, try to hit that. I just talked to some guy. He's getting off the boat. They just pulled out, and they got 6 saugeye. So that's a good sign. Let's go get some. Well, guys, it's kind of windy and really up and down, but not seeing any fish. I'm just putzing around, trying to play around with this 2-ounce hook, weighted hook, screwed on. It's got a screw on for your Kitech right here. You just screw it onto the hook and then put her through. But the thing is, with the weight, it goes down to the bottom. See that weight? It's a 2-ounce weight. And it'll go down to the bottom, and I can reel it, creep it on the bottom. Just got to find some bass sitting on the bottom. Once I do that, could be old Judd's a millionaire. But this Kitech, I'm having problems with it. It wants to bend. It's probably not a big enough Kitech for this hook, but I'm trying to make it work. Yeah, we'll make it work. It's not that straight, but I'll tell you what, it looks good in the water when it swims. Looks enticing. Throw it out there, let it sink to the water, give some line, or let it sink to the bottom, give some line. Incidentally, when I gave my email yesterday, I said tdmayday or tdmayday.com. It's at gmail.com. tdmayday@gmail.com. If you want to write me a quick note. I can feel it just crawling on the bottom. And that weight is kind of smoothed out like a belly. So it slides right on the bottom. That tail's got to be down there kicking like crazy. Tell you what, to come across, if there's some bass sitting down deeper or sitting on the bottom, they'll hit this thing. We'll have a fish. Okay, I'm going totally left of center. I got a smaller weighted hook with an underspin in it. And the saugeye love these minnows. That minnow looks real. We're gonna see how real it is when I start dragging this and bouncing it off the bottom. If the saugeye hit it, I'm gonna call this the Mayday rig. I had an old Mayday rig, but I think that was already invented. I like this one. Let's do it. I don't know if you can see these guys up here. They just told me that they put like, I don't know, 58 saw guy in this lake a couple days ago. These guys are drifting just down here with the wind, and they're just nailing them. I mean, they said all they're doing is just slaying the saw guy today. Well, DD Mayday hasn't caught any, but when in Rome, Mayday, we're going to do what the Romans do. I'm just going to drift along with them. See them over here? These guys in these boats over here. Guys in the orange are from Maslin. I don't know where the guys went from Warren Harding. Oh, I just had a hit. I'm trolling up to get situated so I can do my drift. And I keep getting hits, but I have no treble hook on. So that's a good thing. Maybe I should be trolling a thunderstorm junior. I'll be back with the fish. Let the games begin, baby. I am in drift mode. The wind's blowing so hard, man. We got white caps. I mean, these waves are actually white capping. So I've got my line out there. I put a couple, almost like a Carolina rig. I put a couple split shot sinkers up my line to get it down there as far as it'll go down. And I'm just gonna sit here and drift. These jokers over here, they're rocking it. I mean, they've been catching a ton, they said. So I'm looking to do the same for you guys. Mayday. They just caught another one over there. Guy just pulled one in. Guy in the back in the gray t-shirt. Not the guy in the orange.
Sorry, sir. Sorry to run over.
These guys are rocking. Well, go back to one of my favorite lures, the sonar lure. Looks like I caught a little crappie. Who knows what he is? Thought I had a foul up, but that's one. We'll take it. We will take it. We needed it. We know they're biting. It's been a long day. About 6 o'clock, and I got a line out. I'm trolling with a Storm Junior deep diver. Just trolling the shoreline here. What a beautiful day, I'll tell you what. Even if you don't catch a fish, it's just awesome being out here. But hoping to catch a saw guy while I'm trolling here. That'd be nice. Be really nice. I don't know if this is one, but my pole took off. I don't know if it hit the bottom or what. False alarm. Doggone it. Oh well. Keep on going. I think maybe I hit the bottom. Got a little shallow through here. This is turning into the Titanic, guys. This water is so rough. Look at these boats. Listen to that thing. I mean, I'm double fluking. The water's coming in so hard and so fast and waking everything. It's ridiculous, man. You ain't gonna catch anything in this. But I'll keep trying. Throw right in here. Oh well. Back to the front, Batman. Well, that's going to be the end of this long day, man. I'll tell you what. It's just unbelievable out here. And got nothing else for you guys. Thanks for joining me. Sorry we didn't catch more fish. Got one. Lost a couple. Had a couple bites and missed them. But anyway, it was just a fun day and a beautiful day. I recommend if you can get out here on the lake, get out here, especially on a day like today. Until next time, guys. Love you. And Mayday is out of here.